It's Wednesday morning, about 4 o'clock in the morning here. Headed to Memphis International Airport to get on a flight to Dallas and then hit a connecting flight to Las Vegas. I'm going to the Unstoppable Recording Machine Summit and gonna meet a lot of people that I've never met in person. Gonna learn a lot about music and the music industry. I'm completely just worn out and want to get back in bed right now, but at the same time I'm so excited. I've never been to Vegas, never been to a summit like this or conference or anything like that. I'm just really excited to broaden my horizons and learn some new stuff. Right now we've got a accident or something on the interstate. My flight leaves in about 2 hours and I'm still 30 minutes away from the airport, so hopefully I'll make it on time. We'll see. We got routed back. You see it's daylight now. I've missed my first flight. I'm gonna miss my connecting flight as well, so hopefully I'm gonna get routed back. We're going the wrong way on the interstate now, following the state troopers. This is freaking wild, man. I should have just slept in. Just made it to the Memphis airport 2.5, 3 hours late, but at least we're here. Got parked. Now I just gotta go find my terminal and see if they can schedule me on a later flight. We'll see. Here we go. We've made it to Las Vegas. Hey, I've been up for a long time, it feels like. If you count all my connecting flights and everything, I missed 3 flights today. I missed more flights today than I have in my entire life combined. I'm ready to get to the hotel and hang out with some of these URM guys. Maybe grab something to eat, because I've had like a bag of pretzels and a biscuit all day. Ready to do this thing.
I don't like the theater.
We made it. And I don't know, that's Las Vegas right there. I'm going to, I found some guys from the URM community and meeting up with them here in a few minutes. I'm gonna go do an escape room with them. Pretty excited. I'm glad to be here and get a hot shower. What do you get when you have Tennessee, UK, Australia, and LA doing an escape room? You win. That's what you get. You get a win.
Excited for amusement park. You want to go on a roller coaster in Southern California? You go to Six Flags. Yeah. So apparently, from what I'm hearing,
We're on the strip. Yeah.
yeah.
URM 2019, guys. Where are we walking to?
We're going to the Westin.
Going to the West.
We're gonna hang out.
Hang out at the lounge,
We're
man.
gonna party.
Yeah. Found my cousin West, or I'm sorry.
My
Weston
cousin
is the
Weston.
hotel. Yeah.
Hi, my name's Weston.
No, you're Colton. Found
Colton.
my cousin Colton here in Vegas. Just happened to be at the URM Summit with me.
We're learning about some music production.
We're learning about a lot of cool stuff
Best.
from the best guys. Yeah. So we're excited to be here, man. This freaking Vegas is wild.
And I just got shot.
I'm hanging out with all my friends here. Yeah. All right, all my friends from URM here. We're having fun at the Westin on the Strip, and there we go. We're going to Australia next year, by the way.
Cheers.
Hopefully,
Here we are.
we're gonna have a barbecue off. She says I'm gonna lose.
He's gonna lose.
Oh well.
Can't do a barbie like an Aussie.
Well, you know.
You can
We're
try.
gonna try our best, so we'll see.
We're gonna win.
We're gonna win, Colton. Have an Australian drinking Foster's.
What is this? Is this a Campbell's Chunky?
It's a soup can.
You know what I'm talking about.
Tell me what you think about it.
That's proper beer. beer.
It's-
right?
it's
Oh,
awful,
fuck,
isn't
that
it?
No, that is proper Aussie straight up lager. I'll give you the hot tip. This is straight up Aussie beer. Get it in India.
Just like an Outback Steakhouse, Bloomin' Onion, right?
My
You'll have
fa-
those everywhere.
My favorite.
I'm jealous of Colton's view in his hotel room. His view's much cooler than mine. We just ate dinner with my team, and I've been just meeting some of the coolest people I've ever met in my entire life. And we haven't even started the lectures and the actual learning process. We've just been networking the last 2 days. Met somebody from Norway, a few people from Australia, the UK, Jordan, Poland. A lot of Canadians are here, a lot of Americans are here too. A lot of these folks have been really excited about what Roses Unread and I have been doing, and it's so surreal, man. It makes me feel really good about all the hard work we've been putting into all this. I got to hang out briefly with some people that I really look up to: Joel Wanasek, Billy Decker, Chris Crummett, who's one of my favorite producers who did the latest Issues album. This whole Las Vegas Unstoppable Recording Machine Summit has been nothing short of amazing so far. We're starting the lectures tonight, and tomorrow morning at 7:30 I'm gonna try to get myself out of bed and run a 5K with these guys, even if I have to walk the whole way. But yeah, today I woke up, stayed out late the last 2 nights hanging out with the Australians and everybody else. Stayed out way too late, but I woke up early because I'm so used to waking up early, and I guess just my body's weird. Got a good workout in today, gonna get a 5K in tomorrow. I'm physically worn out because we've been walking around the strip, just walking up and down, back and forth all day, it seems like, for the last 2 days. And we still have tonight, Saturday, Sunday, and then Monday we check out and fly back home. It's just been a cool experience so far, man. I wish I would have came to a summit before this year, but I'm glad I'm here. I'm glad that my band's supporting me 100% while I'm here. I'm networking with other musicians and other producers who really like what we're doing. I just feel blessed that I'm able to take off work and have the means to save up and go do something like this, because it is quite expensive, but well worth it. I'm sure I'll get my money's worth out of it with all the new connections and all the new just stuff I'm going to learn from this. Try to be too long-winded. I'm about to get ready, get my notepad and my pen and everything, and go start checking out the lectures here in about 20 minutes or so. But just kind of wanted to document how I'm feeling at the moment. I feel like that's important. So we'll see what happens tonight. I'm gonna try my best not to stay out too late tonight, just because I got to get up at 7 in the morning and run like 3 miles and some change or something, and I haven't ran in a couple of weeks. So we'll see how bad my cardio is tomorrow.
Don't catch that on tape.
Was it 7 o'clock in the morning, 7:30?
No, it's
7:08.
7:08, and we're doing a 5K. We're about to actually start running here in a second, and this seemed like a good idea at the time. Just the warm-up lap. Here we go. What's today? I really don't remember what today is, but we just got done with our first full day of the URM Summit courses and learned a lot about vocal tracking and mixing, using mix templates. And our last lecture tonight was a 30-minute lecture on leadership, which was very, very, very informative. Good stuff. Yeah, I did my first 5K in Las Vegas this morning, and with some of my new best friends, and I got like 3 or 4 hours of sleep last night. Been up since 6:30 this morning, but we're doing a casino crawl now, which I guess that means we're just gonna hit all the different casinos and get a drink in each one and hang out. I don't think I'm gonna do any gambling tonight. I'm just hanging out with the URM crew. It's been pretty real so far, and I'm hoping to hang out with my friends and meet some more. There's like 200 of us, and I may have met half or 3/4 of the whole group so far. So I think we've got one, yeah, I think today's Saturday, so we got one more full day of courses and everything. But I'm gonna get freshened up right now, and we're gonna hit the strip. Say hi, Brian. You wanna be on my vlog?
What's up, brother?
What's up?
I've known you for about 3 days. Colton, in front of the Eiffel Tower, will you marry me, man? Colton, no!
You're going on the band vlog, brother.
I'm going
This
on
is
the
my new
band
best
vlog.
friend from LA. You probably can't hear me right now.
You can't hear him.
Right now, you can't.
Hey, I made it to the band vlog, all right.
Yeah, you
Right
did.
on.
Right.
Too tall,
Love it.
man.
Oh, we're back.
Yeah. Oh my God, you blocked my face again.
It's too bright. These are the greatest Australians I've ever met.
I'm not from Australia.
Last night in Vegas, guys. Well, my last night. Yeah. Woo!
Oh, it's a video?
You're going on my band's vlog, by the way. I don't know what to think about that, but all right. Translate this.
She'll be right, mate. Just head down the Survey Salvo, grab us a pack of darts, it'll be good.
It'll be good.
She's,
That's all I got.
She'll be apples. She'll be apples, mate. She'll be apples.
I can dig it.
Colton, I've only known you for 3 days. We've been hanging out, doing all this shit. Colton, will this fit on your face? Oh, it kind of fits there. Yeah, there we go.
Hello. We're on our way to the airport. I'm back here with an Australian and a Scot, and as you can see, Colton's too big for the car. We didn't have enough room for everything. In flight trouble. My flight from Las Vegas to, where am I going? I can't even think right now. Phoenix was delayed. So I got rerouted from Las Vegas to Dallas, and then going to Little Rock tonight. And luckily, I've got family in Little Rock I can stay with, and they'll take me to Memphis one way or another. So we'll get it.
Hey guys,
My friends are requesting to hear you speak, Will.
they're just a bunch of ball bags. They're just a bunch of ball bags.
I understood like the first and last thing you just said. Go back to the original plan. My original flight from Vegas to Phoenix to Memphis is no longer delayed. So I had to get that taken care of. So looks like I'm going home tonight, and I'm not going to see Mom, but I get to go home tonight, which is the objective. I can't adequately explain what happened today. My original flight got delayed, so I swapped my flight to get to Little Rock. Well, then my original flight was scheduled to be on time, so I swapped back to my original flight. Makes sense, right? Well, by the time they told me my original flight that I've now switched to is gonna be late, then the flight to Dallas to Little Rock was already gone. 5 hours later, I get on a plane and I end up in Phoenix. Then I wait in line for an hour at the customer service thing. They comp me a hotel room and give me like a $12 meal voucher. Like, okay, I can go, you know, sleep for like 4 hours or something and then come right back up here. Well, I call the hotel and their shuttle's down and they're like, yo, well, the airline was supposed to provide you with travel. Well, like, they didn't tell me that the hotel shuttle was down, and they didn't provide me with a travel voucher. And the lifts are $35 for like a 6-mile trip from the airport. I'm over it, you know. Like, finally made it back to Memphis. Went from 70 degrees to like 30 degrees. It's freaking freezing here, but it's home. Summit 2019, mission complete.